This is estate planning attorney Jeff Fouts. Let's imagine that the first spouse dies, and that means that the second spouse is alive, okay? And then if that second spouse gets sick and can't manage their affairs, well then obviously the first spouse isn't there to help them. So we have to rely upon the children. And obviously, if those of you that have ever heard me talk, you know that you must have proper legal documents, because if you don't, then you're going to have to go to guardianship proceedings. So let's assume that you have proper documents. But now, if the surviving spouse gets sick, maybe she gets dementia, maybe she gets Alzheimer's, and maybe she has to go into a nursing home, well, that's a scary thing. That's a scary thing. And so let's talk about nursing homes in Georgia. Now, there's assisted living facilities, and that's not really what I'm talking about. Assisted living facilities cost, give or take, around $3,000, but I'm just talking in round numbers. But nursing home care in North Atlanta costs somewhere between $5,000 to $8,000. Let's call it 80 grand a year. Okay, great. How will they get paid for? Well, I know how it will not get paid for. And the way that nursing home care will not get paid for is through what's called, well, you know, Medicare. Medicare will not pay for it. Medicare will only pay if you're going in a nursing home for something called skilled nursing care for up to 100 days. It will not pay for custodial care when you have to go there because you cannot do the activities of daily living. Medicare will not pay for that. In that instance, there's only 3 ways to pay for that, and we will talk about that in the next episode. So now we know what won't pay for it. The next episode, we'll talk about what will pay for it. If we can ever help you in any way, just let us know. Thank you.